Navigate effortlessly through your operational insights with our intuitive reports dashboard. Instantly switch to the main dashboard for a quick overview of your business's health. From the Reports page, easily locate and select the Orders report to dive deep into your sales data. This streamlines access to the critical information you need. Once loaded, gain immediate clarity on total sales, paid amounts, and profit at a glance. Understand your financial performance with essential metrics presented upfront. Pinpoint specific transactions with the order number filter, quickly bringing up relevant details. This precision helps you resolve customer queries or review individual orders efficiently. Delve into a comprehensive breakdown for each order, revealing every financial aspect from item totals to profit. Gain complete transparency, empowering better decision-making and optimal financial management for your business. Effortlessly export your reports in multiple formats like CSV, XLSX, or PDF, and swiftly analyze performance across different timeframes. This flexibility ensures your data is always ready for strategic planning. Print any report directly, selecting your preferred method like Wi-Fi or USB for immediate hard copies. This seamless printing functionality boosts your operational efficiency and record keeping. Customize your data view with advanced report formatting options and precise date range filters. Tailor reports to your specific analytical needs, saving valuable time on manual sorting and analysis. Utilize extensive filtering capabilities by state, user, or type to drill down into operational specifics. This empowers you to quickly identify trends, address issues, and make informed business decisions. Further refine your reports with filters for channel, payment methods, and shifts. Enjoy complete control over your data, ensuring precise insights for every aspect of your operations. Our system provides comprehensive, tailored reporting at your fingertips, making data analysis simple and efficient. Take control of your business insights today.